In a bustling city hospital, a night nurse named Mira discovers her unusual talent for turning patient charts into compassionate stories that calm anxious hearts. She began by jotting tiny notes during shifts, then realized her words eased fear as if the pages breathed with reassurance. Her skill grew into small rituals that stitched families together, and she trained as a storytelling nurse, bridging medicine and memory. Mira faced burnout and skepticism, yet community volunteers helped, and her narratives sparked a hospital-wide kindness program with measurable joy. Her journey shows how listening deeply can heal beyond medicine, inviting viewers to trust their own quiet powers to comfort, connect, and create change.